Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If you're looking for some new dumbbells, then I have a pair for you that is going to be unique and really easy to add into your exercise routine. This is a set of weights from GYMENIST, and these are a pair of dumbbells that are made with the typical neoprene coating, but they have a very unique shape to them which really make them really easy to work with. If you compare them to a traditional set of dumbbells, you can see clearly that these have more of a hexagon shape and that triangle shape that is on the actual part that you hold on to. The dumbbells are easy to work with a variety of different exercises. So for example, if you're doing standing exercises, you'll feel that that grip is easy to use with your palms facing up. But if you're flipped upside down, doing some hinged exercises, or even working from the floor, you'll see that they're equally as easy to use. In the past, I've had other dumbbells and the neoprene eventually just kind of decays and falls off of the weights. But you can tell that these are really securely made. The neoprene thickly coats them, making them easy to grip. It's easy to hold on to, so I don't feel like the weights are going to slip out of my hands. And also, the material is non-irritating to my skin. You can easily add these into your workout. Get those big guns going. Get that regular routine in with this awesome set of dumbbells. But that's just my point of view.